This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 94 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're finishing the back area, as far as I can tell. The other shoulder blade gets fitted. We're looking at weapons, vehicles and props in the Robocop remake from 2014. Yeah, he trades in his Auto 9 for the TSR 66 Taser, so less lethal. And it comes out of his arm, does it? Oh, no, it's an M208. Gun comes out of his arm. There we go, yeah. All about that. So this is what we've got. We've also got these left and right upper armor pins. Not sure where they go as yet. They might be on the front, but we're certainly not attaching them today. This is all just a simple magnet snap onto there, and that completes the back area. Keep the pins in a safe place. It says you'll use them in the next issue. I'm not sure what the next issue is. It hasn't told me, and I haven't got that yet. But yeah, there we go. We got Roboria. Don't know about that. Interact with using a Japanese cell phone in 2005. Back in the day. That's a cell phone from 20 years ago. Tokenization. Physical and virtual stuff, bitcoins. Yeah. NFT, that didn't really happen, did it? Yeah. Don't know about emerging markets in that. In reality, any field can benefit from the advantages of the exchange system. Yeah. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's finish this month's delivery. So, to finish this month's delivery, we've got the two pins that we're not doing anything with, and we have our single piece, which has the magnet already fitted. No actual building to do in this. All I have to do is pull in Robocop's back, and that snaps in place, and that's done. And it does look good. I like the finish of that. So, yeah, we can't get to it around the edge. There is that little blob on that one, so we can sort of pull that and open that, and then get to it that way. I think that's probably the best way of doing it. As and when we need to change anything up. Let me flip him over. Well, I mean, we've got these holes here that, yeah, I don't fit in there. I don't know if that's finished or not. You can never really tell with some of this armor. But let's flip him over and see. No, I've got no way of knowing. Oh, it might well be down here. Yeah, that's going to be where they go. They're going to go in there, although they're not holding in there yet, because obviously, there's another pin. It's a pin that's going to go through that bigger hole there. Can't get it out now because it's just rotating. Pop that out from the inside. There we go. Yeah, that's definitely where they're going to go. But it's going to go through into the front piece. So when we get the front piece that pops in there, that's going to help locate that in place, which is a clever way of doing it, because then we don't have to worry about exposed screws and things on there, do we? Make sure that's all nicely in for next time. So that is it. That's the back done. The arm's done, the hands done, the legs are already finished. So, yeah, it's almost completed. So for now, thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you for more very soon. Bye-bye for now. Oh, let's let him talk as well. Bye-bye for now.